In this video, I will show you how to find the average in Microsoft Excel, where you have a range of numbers and you want to find the average, the middle point. It's very easy formula to use this. Quickly, you will get it in seconds. Let's check it. Okay, let's get to the Excel, open the Excel file. This is a sample file, and I want to get the average of these amounts. So I could say amount 1. And here actually I just have a formula. It's nothing super special. And I will just quickly get it to look nicer. Okay, so now we have two amounts. I have amount 1 and amount 2, and I want to get the average of these amounts, and also I want to get the total average. So here actually I should move this to the left a little bit. So the progress, I could use the average for the progress. The progress would look really nice as an option to show the average. Okay, I think the progress would look nice for the average. So you can quickly get the average by looking at this corner here on the lower side, and then as you change the selection, the count, average, and sum changes based on your selection. But if you want to get it in the spreadsheet with the formula in the Excel file, it's very easy. You can actually use the auto sum function. So you select the text and then go into the insert. Where is it? Okay, you select the text you want to get the average of, and you go into this corner, the auto sum option, click on the arrow and click, you get average. This is how you get it the fastest way. And then you see the formula is average C2 C10, and it includes the total here, and the total is empty, so it's not a problem. You can see that the amounts change depending on the okay, I can remove it from the total there, or doesn't matter. Could put it below. Okay, so average. Okay, the average will be including the total, so I don't want that. I can move with one a little bit, and then when I type something there, okay. Okay, the average is here. I got it for the percentage, and I can get the average for amount 1 and amount 2. And actually I can get it for all of them. I can click here on auto sum and then click on average, and the magic happened. It's like really, you get the averages calculated. So let's check it. Let's verify that this is okay. So it's using D2 and E2. The averages are correct here. This is what I wanted. Make the average of the amounts 1 and 2. So this field is correct, and we can easily check it with the calculator here. So we have the amounts 110 plus 11 divided by 2 is 60.5. So it's correct. It's always good to check the formulas to make sure the output is right. And then we have here the D3E3, so it's all great here. It's doing the vertical averages for the rows. And then the total, the average total, And actually the total here, it's not really, I don't need an average total there. Yeah, I guess the total average makes sense in a way. I'm not sure here because it's on the total field. It would be a bit. It looks a bit like confusing because it's the average of this. So maybe I delete this one because it's not a total. And if I wanted a total, I could select this area and then click on auto sum, and it gives me the total. So I have sum here, as you see, and then on the other one. But maybe I leave it like this because it's on the column average. So just it's up to you what you want to do with this. And this one, the last one, is the average on the horizontal and vertical data. This is the average D11, E11, D11, E11, between these two amounts. And D11 is D2 to D10. Let's see. It's easier to visualize it like this. And then this one should be a bit higher. I could edit it, but I like to just do it with the mouse. 9, I could do it 9 there. So yeah, this is because of the total, so I should make all of them 9. Maybe the total and the average should be switched. Okay, so now the average is more natural. Total really it's not. It's a bit complicated here when you to ignore the total when doing the averages. So D10, E10. This one we don't need it here. It's not necessary. So I think like this it looks more usable. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below if you think this is good. But this is how you get the average, is the average function. And if you wanted to do it manually, you can. For example, this one, we make the averages between these two columns. So I click in the cell here and then I go to the formula, type average, enter, and then you can have average if, average. There are a lot of average functions, but the simplest is the average, simple average. Number 1 and 2, you can select both of them in one cell, and then you get the average of these two numbers. And if I select the numbers, actually I get here below the same average. That's it. It's pretty easy. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, and also write in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like to see in the future or how this video helped you. So like, and also subscribe yeah. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this one and learn more interesting things about Excel and in general about how to do things. And tell your friends about this channel. Tell them to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Okay. This is the fakeness. I don't know, blue t-shirt. It's a bit dark, but okay. What is it? In this 3, 2, 1, go. What was it? No eye boogers. No, no. Hopefully, no. Okay, in this video I will show you how to in this video I will show in this okay. In this video, and that's it. This is how easy it is to find the average in Microsoft Excel, and I hope this now can help you do what you needed to do. And if this video helped you, give it a like, and also write a comment below if it helped you or what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Write a comment